One other Chidima, what do you call green squash in Igbo language?
Anyu.
What do you call pumpkin in Igbo language?
Ogo. Obiko ogo.
What do you call tiger nuts in Igbo language?
Aki awusa.
What about African oil bean?
Oba.
What do you call lime in Igbo language?
Oroma nkirisi.
What do you call bush mango in Igbo language?
Ugiri.
What about black beans?
Black beans. Akidi.
What do you call monkey cola in Igbo language?
Monkey cola achicha.
What do you call horse eye beans in Igbo language?
Okpo.
What do you call pawpaw in Igbo language?
Okwuru bekee.
So, what do you call groundnuts in Igbo language?
Ahụekere maọbụ ọpapa.
Ọpapa. Wada, what do you call tangerine in Igbo language?
Tangerine.